Okay, here we are in the cockpit of this Nordlund trawler. See that it's got a nice size area. It's got a refrigerator in the back, side curtains, walk-through transom door. It's got double doors going into the salon, the one on the starboard side here being closed and the port side open. Walking into the salon, teak and holly sole, white leather furnishings, very large windows, very, very attractive boat. Salon table made of Corian. The galley has granite counters, above which is a glass cabinet. Beautiful detail. Everywhere you look. Stepping forward up into the pilot house, we have the rosette manufactured into the floor. Very large pilot house. Has seating on the starboard side that converts to hanging bunks from the headliner hooks that are installed. Great visibility, large chart table area in the forward area. Stepping down into the forward cabins. Again, all teak and holly floors. We have the master with a Pullman style berth on the starboard side. Flat screen TV. Forward we have a bunk style arrangement with two bunks on the starboard side, one on the port side with storage, large hanging locker here. As we turn, we have now on the port side the forward head with granite, or excuse me, it's a Corian style granite or type of countertop. Shower with a shower door. Coming up the steps then back up into the pilot house. We're greeted here by the helm station below. Again, this is a very typical design of the Ed Monk Sr. Engineering and boat design. Large windows. Again, the side doors going out of the pilot house. Large storage area behind. Going aft through the centerline steps, we step back down into the salon where we have another head, again with Corian countertops. This was all redone interior in 2008. We have the matching granite that is in the galley above the refrigerator and the freezer in this cabinet. Turning back again, we have a leather love seat, leather chair. Again, the great visibility of these large windows